Hi, Rodney Jane here. Christmas come early to Bob Jane this year. We've got the new Monster MO in 17 and 18 inch. It's a wheel we're really excited about. We've been waiting for it to arrive for some time. Now let's open it up and have a look at it. It comes with a plastic wheel protector, it comes with Johnny's shower cap, and so here's the wheel. We're really excited about this new design. 12-spoke teardrop, comes in satin black and black tint. I really like the black tint. I don't know if you can see it here, but it's got a silvery sort of black finish to it. This is what we love about the wheel. So first of all, 5-piece cap, which has 3D Monster logo design in the centre. We love the red and the chrome. This wheel is a high load wheel, 1500 kilograms, so it suits most GBM upgrades. So if you're accessorising your ute or you're towing a big caravan or a trailer, it caters to much higher loads than the normal wheels. We love the fact that it's flow formed in most of the fitments we do. And flow forming just means that it's a stronger wheel and it is lighter as well, so less rotating mass and unsprung mass. So, both really good features for 4x4. We do this in legal fitments only, and it suits most 4x4 utes, Land Cruiser and Patrol. So it comes in a really wide range of fitments. So, we can put it on most 4x4s that come to our stores. And, it's built for on-road and it's built for off-road. So it's available at Bob Jane T-Marts now. And come in and have a look at it. We're really excited about it.